Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make Strava private. The first thing that you need to do is open the Strava app on your phone, and once that you have done that, you will land in the dashboard. Now, when the app opens, tap on the U tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now just go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right, and here scroll down until you find an option for privacy controls. Now inside this section, you can control who sees your activity groups, profile details, and who can message you. To make your account private, just go to your profile page and set it to something like followers only. And once you have done that, you can just go back and go to activities and set it to something like only you. And let's go back and basically you just go ahead and set all of them to either follower or only you. And you can also go to messaging and you can toggle off online status and also toggle on no one can message you if you want no one to message you. You can also go to map visibility and click on hide your activity from others completely and toggle it on, and once that you have done that, your account will now be private. And that's it. We just learned how to make Strava private by opening privacy controls and changing activity and profile visibility settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.